It was a bustling December evening at the North Pole, and Santa was up to his nose in wish lists. With all toy requests piling up and deadlines looming, he knew the North Pole workshop needed some extra help. That's when Mrs. Claus, ever resourceful, pulled out a brochure for Mount Ono luxury resorts in Caledon, Ontario. "Why not set up a satellite workshop there?" she suggested. "It's peaceful, secluded, and close to millions of children in North America." Intrigued, Santa hopped into his sleigh to check it out. The resort was perched among serene, snow-covered hills with cozy suites and incredible views. But what really sold Santa was the magical energy he felt in that place. It seemed perfect for holiday cheer. Santa met with the resort team, who were thrilled to host him, promising the elves a space with all their tools to keep up production. Now, each year, a team of Santa's helpers work at Mount Ono, delivering joy from the beautiful Caledon to the rest of the world.